stem cell, we have to understand the very beginning of life, where the merging of sperm and ovum, which give us the first cell. We call it zygote, or if it's a stem cell, we'll call it embryonic stem cell. So, stem cell is able to differentiate into various kinds of cells and tissue, and thus, that's why one single cell is able to differentiate into a baby coming to this new world. So what is stem cell therapy? Stem cell therapy is not something new. It has been going on for the past more than 50 years. Stem cells have been researched on and on, trying to achieve anti-aging and even better therapeutic purpose. For instance, leukemia, we will look for bone marrow transplantation. So what is bone marrow transplantation? This is the very first stem cell therapy that being approved by the FDA and WHO. Since now we understand that stem cell is able to differentiate into various kinds of cells, how can it benefit the human body? Our body ages every day. We are unable to defy aging. Anti-aging is an overrated word. We age every day and we are unable to prevent it. Many of us go for exercise, health supplement, just to live more healthily and to delay aging. With the advancement of stem cell therapy, we now have the ability to treat, or better say to delay aging. By using stem cell therapy, we are able to regenerate or repair our cells and body that is aging every day. I understand that blood clot storage is now in business. So for the past 1 decade, many mothers have chose to store their baby's blood clot. So what is this blood clot they are storing? You have to understand that they are actually storing stem cell for their babies. Hoping that in future, if there's something wrong or something happened to their baby, they are able to treat this baby with the stem cell that they have stored. So from this instance, we understand that stem cell can be obtained from baby's umbilical cord. What do you call this baby umbilical cord stem cell? It is called mesenchymal stem cell, or in short, MSC. So how this MSC can help us? Like I mentioned before, it is a very primitive cell that's able to differentiate into different kinds of tissues and cells, and therefore by injecting and infusing it into our body, it will be able to treat, to repair, and even regenerate every organs in our body. By this, we can anti-aging, or better word to say, we can delay our aging and we can age healthily. There are many MSC being promoted or being marketed in the market. So how do you know whether the stem cell therapy that you are getting are genuine? There's a few questions that you can ask. First, where does the source come from? Since it's coming from the umbilical cord of a baby, so I presume you should have a source. Second, do you have a lab? And where is your lab? Otherwise, how can the stem cell be produced? And the third, how much are you getting? The amount of stem cell that you're getting being infused to your body is also a very important point. By asking all this, if the supplier is able to produce answers to all your questions, then yes, maybe he is a genuine supplier for stem cell. Otherwise, you may need to think twice.